So this is Jane Becker with another report on the market. Today we are talking about the Tatnuck area in Worcester, Massachusetts. So it's really important to follow what's going on with the market and how it's changing. We're going to review the 2018 information and how it compares to the 2019 information for single family homes in Tatnuck area. That's 01602 area code. So interestingly enough, we'll talk about what is being listed and then what is sold in that information. So with listings, we've had a reduction in inventory. In 2018, we had, I think, it looks like 32 properties going on the market. In 2019, we have 21. That means that there's less homes for buyers to take a look at. They have been staying on the market longer, which means there's not as many buyers for them as well. So a year ago, the time on the market for all properties listed is 170 days, while now it's 230 days. Looking at what has been selling, we look at a very fast market. We have 35 properties sold in 2018 this month, while 36 properties sold this month. So it's pretty much stable market. The time for sale is a little bit longer, going from 67 days to 70 days, which is still a very fast market. We know that the inventory is low when we're talking about the months of available inventory. 6 months is really a benchmark between the buyers and the sellers market. And we have a year ago 1.43 months, and now it's 1.06 months less inventory. It's still a very strong sellers market in the Worcester Tatnuck area. An average price has slightly improved, but it's very stable, and that is going from a price of $259,000 per with change to $265 with change. So a little bit of an improvement. If we're talking about price per square foot, we definitely do see a difference. It's 145 a year ago, while it's 160 today. So that's $160 per square foot. As far as negotiations, about a year ago, it was about 97% of asking price that homes sold for. Now it's 99%, slightly over. So houses are selling at asking price. The last piece of information is units listed. Overall, there were 349 units listed in 2018, a year in advance, and then it's 297 units listed this year. So there's definitely a reduction. Units sold, we had 269 units sold, and now it's 237. What that means to consumers is that sellers still have an upper hand, but the market is slowing down. So buyers will have options to take a look at and decide which property they want to buy. They might or might not be in a bidding war, and it is still a fairly strong yet slightly slower market from a year ago.